press fittings for electrical and data cable conduits. Stainless steel press fittings can be used for conduit, for electrical and data cables, if in compliance with current legislation in your country. For this application, it is very important to cut and deburr pipes perfectly. A clear cut is best, not one with rounded ends, as in this piece, or with very pronounced metal burrs, as in this other piece. It is best to cut the pipe at 90. Even internal deburring must be state-of-the-art. Why does the pipe need to be cut so precisely? To facilitate inserting the cables in the pipe, and especially to keep any burrs left after cutting the pipe from damaging the cables. With an excellent pipe cut, it enters the fitting more easily, and there won't be any obstacles when the cables pass through the system. A very useful piece in these systems is the through coupling. In fact, it lets me pass the cables here to make it enter the other piece of pipe, and when I have finished, I can slide the fitting and press the system. Here it is, an example of a system for electrical cables, made inside the Expo 2015 walkway in Milan. It's not necessary to press all the fittings. Many of them can be left free in order to inspect and implement the electrical wiring. The presence of the O-ring is enough to keep both the fitting and the pipe steady. Normally, plastic pipes are used for this application, but for durability and protection, you can use the steel pipe and fitting system with Euro 2B press fittings, which is much more resistant to impacts. Thanks.